Have you ever wondered what Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Oprah Winfrey, and Warren Buffett have in common? They are undoubtedly among the wealthiest people in the world, but what else? These financial tycoons are also distinguished by their effective daily routines and financial practices. Everyone wants to be wealthy and successful. However, getting rich is more than just increasing your income. Everything you do with your money, how you invest it, how you plan your days, how you maintain a work-life balance, how you plan your days, etc., has a role in your ability to become wealthy. Your riches should ultimately dominate you, not the other way around. Here are some suggestions you can use now that we have your attention. Who knows, one day you might become the next millionaire. Adopt the 30-day rule before making impulsive spends. Have you ever made an impulsive purchase that you subsequently regretted? Most of us have probably experienced that. This is precisely the situation where the well-known 30-day rule can save the day. Simply put, if you are about to make an impulsive purchase, stop yourself and postpone it for the next 30 days. If you're buying online, you might put it on your wish list, just leave it in your cart, or tell yourself that if you really need that purchase, you will return to the store after 30 days. This eliminates the majority of irrational purchases, and the items you do end up buying after 30 days are almost certainly stuff you actually wanted. Savings come before spending. According to Warren Buffett, if you buy things you don't need, you'll eventually sell the things you need. That is exactly why the majority of wealthy people save money first and then spend it. Therefore, stop whining about your inability to save and drop the justifications of limited income, high spending, or the strict adherence to the YOLO, you only live once, motto. The practice of saving money first and then spending it is the secret to saving money. Set away some of your salary each month for savings. It can start at any proportion, whether it's 20%, 30%, or 50%. Just be sure to maintain your discipline and loyalty to the habit, and keep in mind that you should increase your savings percentage rather than your spending when your income increases. Pen down your thoughts every day. Remember the classic traditional way of journaling your everyday by writing it down with a pen and paper before the digital world inundated everyone's lives. That is actually one of the most prevalent behaviors that many wealthy and powerful people have. When you write, rather than type, every day, you slow down, ponder, and practice cohesive thinking. Writing down your daily thoughts and experiences allows you to reflect on how your day went, identify areas for improvement, and identify the lessons you learned from both small and big experiences. If you choose to type a blog or journal instead of writing it down, that is entirely acceptable. The important thing is to give yourself permission to reflect on your ideas and deeds in peace. Always remain a student of life. It is a dynamic world, and change has really taken over as the sole constant in life. Whether it is in lifestyle, technology, science, etc., what you are good at or know today might not be necessary tomorrow. Therefore, learning is the only way to continually progress. The world's most prominent and prosperous individuals, including Warren Buffett and Indra Nooyi, have consistently emphasized that the key to lifelong learning is to constantly be a student. Every day, life teaches us in the most unbelievable ways. A sincere student is all it takes to continue learning and growing. Resist the obvious. You become what everyone else is if you keep doing what everyone else does. To stand out from the crowd, as most successful and wealthy people do, you must stop doing and thinking the obvious. Think outside the box in any scenario, big or small, and challenge the old standards that have been blindly obeyed for decades. You will establish the habit of stepping away from the crowd and allowing yourself the opportunity to explore and experiment in this manner. This would ultimately become the usual way you think or do things on a daily basis. Read every day. According to Warren Buffett, the power of compounded interest begins to yield results after a few years. Knowledge, like compound interest, tends to accumulate in this manner. Buffett credits his reading habit with providing the foundational instrument for him to continuously improve his knowledge. Did you know that 88% of wealthy people make it a point to read for 30 minutes every day? So grab a cup of coffee and allow the voracious reader hidden within to emerge and immerse you in the never-ending ocean of knowledge. There's only one right time to invest now. Compound interest is said to be the eighth wonder of the world, according to Albert Einstein. Those who understand it earn it, those who do not pay for it. Yes, one of the richest and most successful people's secrets has been revealed. One of Warren Buffett's key principal investments has remained the magical power of compounding. The sooner you start investing, the more time and scope you give compounding to work its magic for you in the long run. It is one of the most powerful weapons that every wealthy person swears by. Compounding increases the value of your invested funds by adding interest earned back to the principal, resulting in exponentially greater returns. This works especially well in the long run. Don't forget to share to your beloved family if you care to them, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.